Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a Bose SoundLink Micro Bluetooth speaker and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on it. Now there are two main reasons you would want to do this. The first one is troubleshooting. If your speaker will not connect to Bluetooth, or if it is not syncing or pairing with your device, or if it keeps disconnecting, if it's not working in any kind of way, a hard reset can fix a lot of these issues. Now you will need to set it up again, and that's really the second reason you might want to do this. If you just want to get a fresh start on this speaker, maybe you're selling it, or maybe you're buying a used one, or for whatever reason, when you want to start fresh, just like you do when you were just taking it out of the box, we can go ahead and do that. All we need to do is go ahead and turn the speaker on. And then once the speaker is on, we're just going to come and press and hold the power button for 10 seconds. And after those 10 seconds, we'll actually hear it say, ready to connect. To start setup, download the Bose Connect app. And that means it has been reinitialized to the way it was when it came out of the box.